Hey guys, so this coming week I'm gonna do something totally different. Now I spend, I won't say hours, but I spend a lot of time responding to viewers, helping guys out any way I can. So I think what I'm gonna do is next week I'm gonna go live. So Thursday afternoon, 6 o'clock Arizona time, I'm gonna go live, give you guys a chance to message in, comment, questions you have, whatever, do it there. We'll make it short this time. We'll do like 15-20 minutes, okay? If you guys enjoy this and there's lots of action with it, with questions and whatnot, we'll make it longer, okay? But do me a favor, so I have an idea what you guys want to talk about, things like that. In the comments below, send it! Do me a favor, in the comments below, comment the questions you got, topics you want to talk about, things like that. I don't care what it is. You guys put it down there, we'll talk about it next week. Alright? Thanks guys. Remember, Thursday, 6 p.m. Arizona time, we're going live.